Hi guys and welcome to the Computer Coach. Hope you're all fine and feeling well. Well, in this video I'm gonna show you the shortcuts, the useful shortcuts for desktop. Okay, so let's get started. Before I start, show you the important and the useful shortcuts to make your life in using computer so much easier. Subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for next videos. So let's get started. The first shortcut, whenever you want to open start, it's easy. It's like we have a start button here. Just press the start button and start menu is gonna open for you. Whenever you want to disappear the start menu, so just press the start button again and it's gonna be disappear. The second, we have search bar. Here we can search any applications. So if you want to open the search bar through shortcut, here you can come. So here we have got start menu plus S. So start menu plus S, and it's gonna be the search bar open for you, and you can search for any kind of program you want, any applications. The third shortcut, here we have got a task view. So the shortcut for the task view is it's Windows key. Okay, Windows key plus tab. Here is the tab button. So what you gonna do? Windows key plus tab. It's gonna open for you the show desktop shortcut. And Windows key plus tab, it's gonna disappear and you're gonna see the desktop. If you don't know what is start used for, what is search bar used for, you can watch the first lesson of. Okay, it's the first lesson introduction for the desktop. I introduced everything there. The link is in description. Thanks. So here we have a chat. Here you can chat. So the shortcut for chat is Windows key plus C, like Windows key plus C. It is the shortcut for chat. Chat is now opened. So when you want to disappear, just Windows key plus C and it's gonna be disappear. Now here we have got a quick launch. Okay, means to get a program or an application easily. So here, if you want to open any program, you see the order. So here File Explorer is the first, the browser is the second one, here another application is the fourth one. So which one do you want to open? I want to open like it's the first after the chat. It's the first File Explorer. So I want to open the File Explorer. What are you gonna do? So as we know, better is the first one. So you have to press Windows key plus 1. Okay, plus 1. It's gonna be the File Explorer open for you. You can go to the desktop in two ways, like just Windows key plus 1. It's the first way, and the second way is Windows key plus D. Is a show desktop shortcut. You can come to the desktop in two ways. Hope you understand. And whenever I want to open this browser, okay, so you can just press Windows key plus 2. It's gonna open the browser for you, like this second browser, and you're gonna minimize and maximize it easily. So we have here the notification bar. Here the notification bar, there are like whenever you want to open the notification bar, you just Windows key plus N is the shortcut for the notification bar. What you're gonna do, simply like it is the Windows key. You see, let me show you, like it's the Windows key plus N. Here is the N. So long. It's Windows key plus N. Here Windows key plus N is gonna open you the notification bar. Here maybe WhatsApp notification, Facebook, emails, whatever it is, you're gonna see here in notification bar. Okay, and we have a shortcut for more, like Windows key plus A. Okay, it will open you like here. It's we can call it as action center. Here you can see the video player or anything else, your internet connection, everything, your brightness. Here is the action center shortcut, Windows key what? Windows key plus A is the shortcut for the action center. In the last we have a show to stop. I showed you the show to stop shortcut. Windows key plus D is the shortcut for Windows desktop, means show to stop. In here we have got a widget. Okay, the shortcut for widget is Windows key plus W, but mine is not opened, so you are gonna open. In the first video I've got a shortcut, so it's like my computer needs a refreshment. I will refresh my computer, inshallah it's gonna work. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for my next video.